What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're going to be replacing some pads and rotors on this 2006 Toyota Sienna. Check this noise out. Sounds like it's metal to metal and that the pad is going up, down as it's spinning. Watch. See? Click, tick, tick. See that? All right, enough horsing around. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is let's remove the wheel, guys. 21 mil. Just take off the wheel. Let's remove the wheel. Yeah. Now let's look at the backside, guys. You guys see that? Metal to metal. Look at that. I feel like something's missing on this side. What the hell? Isn't there supposed to be a backing plate? Oh shit, look. So whoever did work on that side didn't put the backing plate on. Look, this one has it. That one doesn't. What the hell? Yeah, anyways. Now we're gonna compress that piston. We're gonna put a pry bar right there. Squeeze that piston in, guys. Squeeze it in. See? There you go. Now remove these two 14 millimeter bolts. There's one. Two. There you go. Now grab the caliper and just hang it to the side. Never leave it hanging by the hose, guys. I've seen a lot of mechanics do that. I don't know why they do that. You don't want to stretch this or crack this. So just have it hanging like that, okay? Never hanging by the hose. Now you're gonna remove the caliper bracket bolts. And those are 17 millimeter. Yeah, 17. Break loose with the ratchet. Go. And remove it. Now you can take off your rotor. There you go. And check this out, guys. This is gonna be your rotor. Look at that. It's all fucking metal to metal. It's scuffed up. Look at the pads. Look at that. There's no more pad left. Look at that. Yeah. All right, so these are gonna be the pads I'm gonna use. Import direct. I got the premium brake pads. Part number, if you guys wanna know. That is the part number, 1030995. Okay, rotors, also from O'Reilly's. That's the part number right there, 98021 3RGS. Okay, let's open this up. Open the boxes up. Okay. Okay, let's put that down. Let's open the other one. This having duct tape kind of scares me. I wonder if it's a return. Okay. Yeah, that's a return. Look at that. There's no bag. It's all dirty. Somebody's had this on. Yep. Looks okay, looks good. Must have been the incorrect one. We'll clean that up. Like my knife, crocky. Get yourself sandpaper or a wire brush. Clean up the mating surface. Depending on where you're at, it's good to clean all this up and then put some anti-seize. But we don't really rust down here that much. We're in California. Okay. Now put the rotor on. Yes, I know it's backwards. We're gonna clean it. I'll spray it down. Clean it up. Clean all that up because it comes with some oil from the factory so it doesn't rust. Now we can grab it, flip it around, and install it. Same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna grab our sliding pins. Ooh, look at that, it's stuck. I think that's why I went to metal, because every time it compresses that brake, it doesn't retract. It stays like that. So every time they step on the brake, it stays like that, and it's just wearing out the pads. It doesn't release open. Look at how fucking hard that is. Ah, that's not coming out. Found the problem. It's all right, it's an easy fix. Just need to pull it out, Clean it up, re-lube it. You want these sliding pins to move free. See all that? So we're gonna clean all that up, put some new grease, put it in, make sure it's lubricated. Make sure it moves freely. Clean that up. Do the same for the other side. See how that one moved? Let's clean this one up. Now we'll get some brake grease. And we're gonna lube up those sliding pins, okay? Lube those up. Some green synthetic grease. Just like that. And we're gonna slide her in. There you go. See how that moves freely now? That's what we want. We don't want it to get all hard and then seized. That's gonna be forcing the pad against the rotor. You don't want that. So I'm gonna take her back out. I'm gonna lube her up just a bit more. Just put some more. Stick her in. There you go. Now it's a lot free. Okay? Do the same thing to the other side. Way better. Okay. Now remove the hardware. There's the hardware. Force those ears down. That's it, guys. It's really not much to it. And also with these pads, guys, there is going to be an inner right hand, inner left hand. The two outers are just going to be the same. So they say outer. So you're going to have inner right hand, inner left hand. Okay? So don't mix those up. Remember, we're going to add some blue Loctite to those bolts and just reinstall. Now torque these two 65 foot-pounds. Go. There you go. And just remember, guys, inner right hand, okay? Don't mix them up. Come on. Please go in. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Now we're gonna install the caliper and the bolts. Remember, blue Loctite. Okay. Then we're gonna torque these two 25 foot-pounds. And if this side is spinning, you can just put a wrench right there to hold that in place. So we're gonna do that. Torque it down. There you go. Do the same for the bottom. There you go. Torque down. Since you guys want to see some torque specs, now we're showing you some torque specs. Now install the wheel. All right, guys, and now what we're gonna do is torque these down to 100 foot-pounds. 1 in a star pattern. 2, 3. There you go. Now we're gonna get in, guys, and we're gonna pump that brake pedal. 1, don't go slamming it to the floor, but pump it until it gets hard. And what this is doing is, since we decompress those pistons, then we're pumping the pedal, it's just putting it back into place, okay? You don't wanna start the car and drive off. You're gonna have no brakes. Pump it before you do that. So after you check that fluid, you pump the pedal, it's time for a test drive. Remember, do not just start the car and go without pumping that pedal. You will regret it. Let's go test drive it. Let's go test drive it. See you guys on the next one. It stops. And guys, always test drive the vehicle after any repair. It's good to, you know, drive it for a couple of miles just to confirm everything's great. Because sometimes you have those customers that, you know, see ya.